Hey everyone, Mike from UrnSpiration. I'm the Earn guy for you guys. Quick, no nonsense, very quick video on how to place an order on the UrnSpiration B2B portal. First thing you'll notice is that it's UrnSpiration B2B.com. We're not on mainlyorns.com or cremationurns.com or even UrnSpiration.com. We're on UrnSpiration B2B. The first thing you're going to want to do is log in. If you don't log in, you can't see any pricing and you can't place an order. Let's do that real quick. I'm going to sign in as Jenna over at Avery Storty. Hopefully that password's right. Boom, we're in. The first thing you'll see is Jenna's name right here because she's logged in. The second thing you'll see is it says My Orders. These are Jenna's orders. These are the orders that she has placed for Avery Storty. All the company orders are here. So we can see Veronica's new order, Jenna's orders, as we said, and Sierra's orders. All right, the other thing is we have address management. Avery Storty only ships to one address, but if you had multiple addresses, you could add a new address here. All right, let's place an order. What you're going to want to do is click the logo up here. It's going to bring you back to the portal. You'll see that you're signed in because it says signed out. Right here are the 7 or 8 most popular urns that you guys order. 9 out of 10 will be an homage or an eternal reflections or a main cherry. If you've been with me for a while, then you realize that is the truth. Here's where the collections expand a little bit more. You know, the main cherry comes in a companion and a child, so you'd go there to get those. You want to get the homage keepsakes, you go into here, but essentially this is your go-to up here. The other thing that we've added new are what we call the everyday traditional urns. Folks just need to check the box sometimes. A lot of pre-planning folks will choose these because they're not interested in personalizing an urn for themselves. So very traditional urns that have been popular. We put together a curated collection for you guys. Stuff that just tried and true, a little bit of noise, but again, some of you guys want these, so we added them. All right, let's place an order real quick and go back to the home page. We're going to do an order just for probably the most popular urn that we sell, or one of these is the homage collection. So whether you're ordering an homage urn for an adult or someone in the military or even a child, you always just choose the homage urn. First thing that we're going to do is choose the size and go large, and the next thing to do is choose a color. You'll notice the colors change. Let's go with sapphire blue because it's by far the most popular color. The next thing you'll do is choose a segment. In this case, I'm going to choose adult. When I'm doing a screen recording, you can't see the drop downs. It's kind of funky, but you want to choose the adult segment for an adult, or military for military, or child for child. But let's just do adult right now. That limits your graphic options. So I'll do the lighthouse. And even though I chose lighthouse, you're not going to see a lighthouse over here, but you can see all the images that are available right here. So that would be the lighthouse right there. All right, text font. Monotype Corsiva. Just like images, we make the font choices very obvious. We even tell you what are the most popular, and most popular being Monotype Corsiva in Times New Roman italics. I'm going to type in the name, dates, sentiment, always in our hearts, add a poem to the back. No, you need to check this box. This is personalization proof. That means you're going to get a proof. We're going to send you a proof via our Shore app so that you can review the artwork before you do anything. Funeral director notes, we need an accent over the E, please. Something like that. Anything that you need to know, put right here. Instead of, we want some seagulls flying over the lighthouse. No problem. We want a boat shipwrecked next to the lighthouse. Not a problem. All right, so that's where you put any of those sort of notes. We're going to add it to the cart now. All right, and all the information of what we just ordered are here. Homage, sapphire, adult with a lighthouse, monotype, Dennis Conway. That's his dates, always in our hearts. Going to need a proof and put an accent over the E. Proceed to checkout. When we're here at checkout, you'll see that Jenna's logged in. Her default address is right here. If she needed to ship somewhere, you could add a new address. Default standard ground shipping is always $14.95 for a standard adult urn. Again, all the information's over here. Going to click continue. And for payment method, you can either do a credit card. If you're going to do a credit card, we'd like you to put the deceased name. I'm going to cut and paste it right here. We put the deceased name right there. If you're going to use do a purchase order, we want you to put the deceased name right here. Either way, we need the deceased name, either here, or even both here and there. That's great. We're going to use that as a purchase order. Terms and conditions, yes. Date you need it. So let's say the service is in January, so need by Jan 4th, please. Something like that. Name of funeral director placing order. This is Jenna. That way, we know that Jenna's logged in and she's placing the order. However, some of you guys logged in with info@ email addresses, so we're not exactly sure who's placing the order, so we want to capture that information. You click place order, and you'll get a proof, usually the same day if the order is placed in the morning, or the next business day if you place it late in the afternoon. And I'll do a different video on how to approve proof. Thanks so much.